Rutherfords theory was not perfect, because if we assume that electrons are moving in a circular orbit, that means as they are moving, they will keep gaining acceleration. Now, when there will be acceleration, they will also radiate energy. When they will radiate energy, they will keep losing energy, and ultimately they will just move towards the center and the atom will become unstable. Now, this part Rutherford could not explain. So, then came another scientist. Now, this scientist Bohr gave, or I would say not that he entirely gave a new concept, but he modified the concept put forward by Rutherford. He said, okay, it is fine that electrons move in orbits, but they move only in specific orbits called the discrete orbits. Electrons move in discrete orbits. And second thing he said, they do not radiate energy. As they do not radiate energy, they will not lose it also, and they will not become unstable also. It was also found that the positively charged center also has some other particles, but they are neutral in charge. So, by then the understanding about atom was that first it is divisible, then it has 3 parts, 3 particles are there. First, electron, which is negatively charged and its mass is very, very small. That is why the alpha particles could easily pass, and its mass is 1 by 1837, that of a proton. So, it is just about 1/2000th of a proton. Proton has positive charge and mass is 1. In the case of neutron, it is neutral and mass is 1. Now, a very interesting situation. On one hand, we say that atom is neutral. On the other hand, we say it has charged particles inside. Negative also, positive also. Then how is it neutral? So, obviously, the number of electrons is always equal to number of protons. So, if in an atom there are 18 electrons, that means 18 negative charge, and 18 protons, that is positive charge, it will get cancelled, and neutron as it is neutral. So, that is why atom is neutral despite having charged particles in it.